Over the past decade, smartphones have gradually grown in size, with most contemporary models now boasting screens that exceed 6 inches. These larger displays significantly enhance the user experience by offering more immersive visuals, making activities such as gaming, video streaming, and multitasking more enjoyable and engaging. However, this shift towards bigger screens has also brought several challenges, particularly concerning convenience and usability. Bulkier devices can be difficult to carry around, may not fit easily into standard pockets, and often require the use of both hands for comfortable operation. As a result, many users, especially those with smaller hands or a preference for more compact and lightweight designs, have found themselves increasingly left out in a market that prioritizes larger form factors. A significant number of users find large smartphones challenging to manage, as they can be difficult to use with one hand and inconvenient to fit into smaller pockets. A more compact design not only enhances grip but also allows for effortless operation, making the device more comfortable to hold for long periods. If Apple chooses to move forward with the iPhone 17 mini, it could reintroduce these benefits, catering to a specific yet important segment of consumers who prefer a more ergonomic and easily portable device. Apple has a history of experimenting with compact smartphones, having previously introduced models such as the iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 13 mini. These smaller devices gained popularity due to their sleek, lightweight design and comfortable one-handed usability. However, they also face notable criticism, particularly concerning battery life. Many users reported that the limited battery capacity struggled to sustain power throughout an entire day, making it a major drawback. Now, with rumors circulating about an iPhone 17 mini, Apple has an opportunity to address this issue and potentially revolutionize the compact smartphone segment. If the company successfully enhances battery performance, it could make the device far more appealing to users who prefer smaller phones. By incorporating advancements in chipset efficiency, optimizing battery management, and implementing smarter software solutions, Apple could extend battery life significantly. This would allow users to enjoy the benefits of a compact smartphone without the constant worry of needing to recharge frequently, making the iPhone 17 mini a game changer in the market. What are your thoughts on the rumored iPhone 17 mini? Feel free to share your opinions in the comments section below. Would love to hear what you think. One of the biggest reasons why compact smartphones are gaining popularity is the increasing reliance on AI-powered features. Many users today want a device that balances convenience with top-tier performance, allowing them to enjoy cutting-edge technology without sacrificing portability. If Apple decides to equip the iPhone 17 mini with its advanced Apple Intelligence system, it could revolutionize the user experience by enhancing voice recognition, refining camera performance, and maximizing battery efficiency. These AI-driven upgrades have the potential to make the iPhone 17 mini a serious contender in the compact smartphone market, drawing in users who seek both high performance and a more manageable device size. Apple's decision to launch the iPhone 16e marks a clear departure from manufacturing compact smartphones, indicating a notable change in its product strategy. This shift suggests that the company is now prioritizing larger devices, potentially due to evolving consumer preferences. However, bringing back the iPhone 17 mini could prove to be a strategic move, catering to users who appreciate a smaller form factor without compromising on premium features and high-performance hardware. The possibility of reintroducing the mini series will ultimately hinge on Apple's assessment of market trends and customer demand. If there is a strong and consistent interest in compact smartphones, Apple may consider reviving the mini lineup, offering a powerful yet portable option for users who value convenience alongside cutting-edge technology. If Apple successfully enhances battery life, boosts overall performance, integrates advanced AI-powered features, upgrades the camera system, and refines the display quality, the iPhone 17 mini could redefine the compact smartphone experience. It has the potential to become the top choice for users who favor a smaller yet highly capable device without sacrificing power or functionality. However, despite these possibilities, it remains unclear whether Apple will ultimately decide to bring the iPhone 17 mini to market. That being said, the growing interest in compact smartphones suggests a significant number of consumers are eagerly awaiting such a release. What are your thoughts on the potential return of an iPhone 17 mini? Do you think Apple will reintroduce a compact mini model in its future lineup? Drop your opinions in the comments. We're excited to hear what you have to say. That's a wrap for today's video, and we sincerely appreciate you tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay connected for more exciting tech updates. We'll see you in the next one. Take care and bye.